Hello and what's up guys, how are you? So today in this video I will show you how you can install Python in Windows. So let's get started. So in order to install Python we need to open a browser and type here Python download. So here you can see that the first website www.python.org, click on it. Now go to this download and click on this Python 3.40.0. So here you can see that my downloading has been started. So the download is completed. So now we have to run this one. So run as administrator. So just click on run, click on yes. So we have to click this both. Now click on install now. Let's wait until this complete. It will take little bit time to install Python in your Windows. So here you can see that setup was successful. That means our Python is successfully installed. So click on close. Now open open CMD and type here Python dash dash version. So here you can see that Python 3.14.0 is shown here. That means we have successfully installed Python in our Windows. So that's it for this video. If you like this video then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video.